What's up, team? So today I want to explain a little bit more about this neuroscience tool that you now have in your hands and how this is not just a simple pen. By the end of this video, you're going to understand how this is a neuroscience and psychology tool. So first looking at it, you're just going to think it looks like just a cool black sci-fi pen that has 3 colors. However, here's what it's actually used for and why neuroscience and psychology are so important for this. So you'll see 3 colors in this: black, blue, and red. So when you're taking notes, what you're going to do is anytime you hear a fact, you're going to write this in black. So my name is Mykel. I'm the head coach and founder at PSYFI. You are now holding a pen in your hand. That's a fact. You write it in black. When you hear something that you want to go back to and review, use blue. Blue equals review. This means you want to go back and look at it for context. You want to get some more information about it. Maybe you want to share it with someone else because you want to enroll them in it. Blue for review. And the last one is red. Red equals critical. When you hear something that blew your mind, one of your biggest takeaway, when you hear something that you want to share with someone else that's so important or something that's going to change your life, you write it in red. So remember, black fact, blue review, red critical. The last thing about this amazing tool is that this is going to help you engage in kinesthetic learning. Kinesthetic learning is happening from your hand, then it's going to go into your brain through your auditory sources, i.e. your ears. What this does is it tells you that when you hear these clicks, audible clicks, this is switching your brain on to know that something's changing, you're transitioning. What it's allowing you to also do is in what we call in psychology called priming for something new. So every time you click, your brain goes, oh, something new is going to happen, something new is going to happen, something new is going to happen. This is going to help you increase focus and increase productivity simply by how you use a pen. So take these amazing neuroscience tools, use them every single day. I use them all day, every day, and I hope you get as much use and fun out of them as I do.